Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 2 of class 7th DAV English Literature, Birdie Will You Pet Bag Exercise. Understanding the story. In the poem, the child offers various comforts to the bird in exchange for its freedom, but the bird declines them. Complete the chart given below by filling the offers made by the child and the bird's preference over them. Answer. The child offers A. Silken quilts, B. Velvet bed, C. Satin pillow. The bird prefers ivy wall, a necklace made of diamond stones, amber, and jet. The bird prefers feather necklace. The child offers a dish of silver fret, a golden cup, an ivory seat, D. Soft carpets. The bird prefers running water, forest, a rocking twig. B. Read the extracts given below and answer the questions that follow. I had rather sleep in the ivy wall. No rain comes through, though I hear it fall. The sun peeps gay at dawn of day, and I sing and wing away, away. First, who is I in the above lines? Answer, I refers to the bird. Second, ivy is a plant. What does the bird want to convey by describing it as wall? Answer, the bird describes the ivy plant as a wall because the plant protects her nest as a wall from heat and rain. Third, what does the speaker prefer ivy wall to? Answer, the speaker prefers the ivy wall to silken quills and velvet bed. B. A feather necklace round and round that wouldn't sell for £1,000. First, what is the necklace offered the child made of? Answer, the necklace offered by the child made of diamond stones, amber, and jet. Second, what is the necklace that the bird has made of? Answer, the necklace that the bird has is made up of round feathers. Third, which necklace does the bird prefer? Why? Answer, the bird prefers the feather necklace that is provided by nature because it is sweeter than the one offered by the child. C. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Answer. The rhyme scheme of the poem is AABBCCDD. D. Pick out at least three examples of alliteration from the poem. A. The sun peeps gay at dawn of day, stanza 2. B. We will string on a necklace fair and fine, stanza 2. C. To please this pretty bird mine, stanza 3. Hots. Why does the bird refuse to accept the various comforts offered by the child? Discuss. Answer. The bird valued her freedom very much. She declined the various comforts offered by the child because it doesn't want to lose her freedom at any cost. Life skills. Is freedom just the right to live as we wish? Answer, yes. The freedom is just the right to live as we wish only till you are not harming others. It is your right to do anything, but it should be in favor of your nation. Values. Why does a child call the bird birdie? Why does the child use the word birdie twice? Answer. The child calls the bird birdie because birdie is a lovely pet name given to the bird. The child uses the word birdie twice to express her tender and delicate love and affection to the bird. Writing skills. The child in the poem realizes that the bird cannot be lured. She has her own priorities in life. Freedom is equally important to her. The child decides to share the conversation between her and the bird with her friend through a letter. Write the letter in not more than 120 words. Answer. A 480 New Ashok Nagar, New Delhi 10096 December 2025. Dear Ruhi. I hope this letter finds you in good health and spirits. My happiness knew no bounds when I saw a beautiful bird. I tried to lure it as it my pet. I promised it to give silken quills, velvet bed, and satin pillow. But it refused, saying nothing is safer than ivy wall. Next, I offered it a diamond and amber necklace, but the bird was happy with its feather necklace. It told me that the freedom is the most important thing for any living creature. It is not only humans that have right for freedom, but animals as well. Birds and animals hate to be kept in cages. The bird opened my eyes. Hope you understand the importance of freedom. With lots of love and best wishes. Yours lovingly, Suman. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.